Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight. Yeah. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat.
Person as mentally tough as you.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vanessa, and today I'm going to be doing a hair review for you guys. So today I'm going to show you guys me installing this wig today, and this wig is from Remy Blue Hair. This is a burgundy unit and I'm very much in love with how it turned out. Yeah, it's giving. This wig is 28 inches and this wig is also a 13x1. So I'm going to show you guys the process of me installing it on my head. I'm not going to show the plucking process, but I'm going to show the installation for it and making the edges and making it look like a frontal. So I hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. If you've seen me before, then hi, I'm Vanessa. You should definitely subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and definitely stay tuned for more hair reviews. So I'm going to stop talking and just get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start by using this tinted lace spray that I got from Amazon yesterday, and I'm not sure how it's going to do with the lace because this is the color of the lace. It's not really brown, but it's like a beige color. I tried to bleach the knots yesterday and they didn't bleach, so we're gonna just have to improvise because I need to wear this wig today. So I'm gonna start with this, but then my backup plan is to use tea bags and hot water, I don't know if you can see it here, to tint my lace if this does not work, because this is the best method to tint your lace easily. If you've not heard of it, then you just put tea bags and hot water and then you dip your lace in there and it tints it for you. So I'm gonna try that now. Okay, so this is the color after tinting the lace, like that. This is the shade I'll be using for my powder in the lace. I don't know, so yeah. Okay, so that's after everything I've done to the lace. Okay, so I decided to switch to voiceovers for the rest of the video because it's very much self-explanatory, I guess, from what you guys can see. So this is me putting the wig on my head, adjusting it. Yeah, why do I talk like that on voiceovers? Anyways, now it's just the point of me clipping the hair back and then cutting the lace, which is probably like one of the hardest parts for me to do because I had to go around multiple times and cut multiple times. But then I found the easier method to do would be to just cut, pretty much cut 3 pieces into the lace and then cut each section instead of just trying to do it all in one. So I definitely recommend. And then from there, yeah, my one pet peeve is leaving too much lace, not gonna lie. So that's why the first time I do it, there's still a lot of lace, as you can see, and then I keep going round again and then fine-tuning it and just like cutting it more slowly and gently and making sure not to cut too much off, I guess, but also cutting enough off, if that makes sense. But anyways, I really like this lace, I can't lie. You'll see in a minute there are some parts where the lace just looks very much melted and I'm like, wow, like this isn't even a soldier, like wow, it's giving, because the color is quite light, but from certain angles it's looking pretty good. I'm like, yeah, it's giving. So then I use the Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray only because I've seen this go on TikTok. But what do I rate this glue? It's okay, it's not bad. When I installed this the first time, I didn't really know how to use it, which is why I only used like one layer. But after gluing my hair down multiple times, I've realized that the best way to do it is to glue multiple layers of the glue. So you go around the perimeter and you glue one layer and then you let that dry and then you glue another layer and then you sort of like press it down with that. I think the most layers I'd use is like 3, but yeah, good tip for that. And also wipe the glue off your head as well, don't forget to do that. But moving on from there, now it's the baby hairs, the cutting. That's probably what I'm the worst at. I'm not good with baby hairs like that, so don't use me for reference because I had to try it again and again to try and get the baby hairs I wanted. So I wanted like the big moosed up type baby hairs, I guess. But did that really work out? I don't know, but I don't like using hair gel for my edges. Anyways, now we've cut and I'm talking a lot, but now the hair's all installed and whatever, and then now it's just me straightening the hair, which my camera died, so I don't have much footage of me straightening my hair, but that is pretty much the wig installation process. I'm very happy with it.
yeah, that's all.
We've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this wig install. I'm very happy with the results. So yeah, if you guys can't see, I'm a beginner, so please bear that in mind. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you've never seen my face before, then definitely click that subscribe button to see more, and I'll see you guys next week.